Did you hear about Whatnot's changes to free and reduced shipping yet? Whether you still have the option or it was disabled temporarily, this changes how we sell on the platform. Today I'm breaking down why Whatnot removed free and reduced shipping for newer sellers and how you can still attract buyers without using this feature at all. Be sure to take a look at the description box down below as well as the pinned comment for the link for additional seller resources that will definitely help you as you grow here on Whatnot. So let's get into it. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Blasian Bunny. I sell exotic snacks from all around the world as a full-time reseller on the Whatnot platform. So let's go ahead and describe what free and reduced shipping is for anyone who may not be familiar. Free and reduced shipping allows a seller to either pay a portion or 100% of the shipping cost that is incurred during a show for a buyer. It's basically a marketing strategy to get more eyeballs on your show or the intention of getting more buyers to purchase items because they don't have to pay for shipping. But a lot of new sellers didn't realize that when they were selecting the free shipping or reduced shipping option, that money that is going to be paid for shipping is actually coming out of their profit for the show. They didn't read the fine print and they misunderstood who was going to be paying for the shipping. Most new sellers were thinking that if they selected free or reduced shipping, that the $9.21 that was accrued for shipping would be paid by Whatnot. So that being said, every single order that they were getting, they're basically either breaking even or going negative no matter how much they were selling because they were having to pay the shipping cost by selecting this option. Some new sellers misunderstood what free shipping or reduced shipping actually meant because they weren't doing their due diligence by reading the details of what that means. And that's exactly why Whatnot decided to adjust this feature for new sellers on the platform because they really want you to maximize your profit and get as much money as you can when you're starting your journey here on Whatnot. At the end of the day, Whatnot wants every seller to thrive here on the platform. So removing this feature is really to help people not make costly mistakes that is going to cost a lot of their profit margin. Because if you don't understand how shipping works on Whatnot, it can be a disaster and you're gonna have to pay a lot of money out of pocket. This is a huge discussion right now. I see a lot of new sellers on the platform complaining that they feel like this feature was taken away from them and they don't have the option to do this. However, I want to give you guys a different perspective. This is put in place for your benefit. So please don't see like it's something that is taken away from you, but something to protect you instead so that no costly mistakes are made for your business. It's actually about helping sellers build sustainable profit over the long term. And I totally understand it might feel frustrating at first, but this is intended to help you in the long run. Me personally, I've been selling on Whatnot for about 2 years now, and I've never used the free or reduced shipping methods on Whatnot because it just cuts too much into my profit, and that's not what I want to do for my business. So as a new seller, don't feel like this is something that's being taken away from you because I still don't use it as a seasoned seller. I would say about 90% of the sellers here on Whatnot allow their buyers to pay the shipping costs. So don't feel like you're missing out. Now, if you are someone who sells like luxury items or you're getting a really, really nice amount of money per item, I can totally see why somebody would want to do this. But I would say that 90% of the sellers on the platform are not using free and reduced shipping. And also keep in mind that Whatnot has a really, really great contracted rate with the USPS right now. I think our shipping costs are anywhere between like 50 to like 75% discounted compared to what it would be if you go to the post office yourself. So don't think that if you do not have a show that has free or reduced shipping that people won't come to it, okay? It's not like Amazon, it's a totally different platform. I completely understand why some people would want to use it as a marketing strategy, but there are smarter ways to attract buyers to your shows without cutting directly into your profit margins. So here are some smart alternatives. So the first thing we're going to talk about is Whatnot's feature of flash sales. If you're not familiar with flash sales, it's when you're doing a show and you say, hey, this particular item, I want to randomly do 10, 20, 50% off right now for a certain amount of time. I feel like this feature is really awesome. It kind of creates FOMO, or the fear of missing out. And if customers want to buy it, they have a limited time to swipe or buy those items in the shop. Flash sales create urgency and a boost of engagement fast. Even small discounts like a 5 or 10% will drive engagement to your show, as well as get people excited about those items that you're currently showing. So definitely give those a try. Next, I feel like a lot of people miss out on this step. Tip number 2 is create an eye-catching thumbnail. This is free marketing, guys. I want you to understand that you need to take time to make sure that your thumbnail looks really nice, captivating, and inviting people in. You can literally have the best items ever, but if you have a very low effort thumbnail, people are not going to be enticed to click in there and go into your show. So you need to make sure you're taking time to create an eye-catching thumbnail. Now, this is definitely going to be a video that I'm going to do in the future. So if you are interested in that, be sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can catch that video in the near future. A bold and clear thumbnail is going to make people stop their scrolling and click into your show. Third, focus on the people who actually show up for your show. It doesn't matter if you have 5 or 50 people, you really need to make everyone feel like a VIP. Talk to them, learn their names, and make them feel welcome. Those relationships turn into buyers. And yes, maybe they can't purchase today. Maybe they're just waiting to get their paycheck on Friday, and then they're going to come back and support you, okay? So you always want to make everyone who comes into your show feel like family. So this recent change is actually in place to help you. It protects your profits, it helps you build smarter, and it encourages sustainable growth. You can absolutely succeed on Whatnot without doing free or reduced shipping. Since this is a hot topic right now, I would love to hear what you guys think in the comments down below. I would love to hear your guys' experience with free and reduced shipping. So now that you understand these shipping changes, the next video you should watch is this one right here that breaks down the difference between priority, flat rate, and ground advantage shipping options here on Whatnot. Knowing which shipment method to use will save you tons of money in the long run.